Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be talking about the best 3D printer for students that can help them create unique 3D prints and projects. Each 3D printer can be used in any classroom, dorm room, or office to create unique 3D projects with ease. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers for students. To help you, we've curated some of the best 3D printers for students today. The output of each print is of the highest quality, and each printer has great features to set it apart from its competitors. This 3D printer is ideal for students that can create stunning 3D prints for their projects and presentations. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D printer is an excellent choice for students diving into 3D printing. This incredible machine is like a magical portal that turns imagination into reality. With the Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D printer, students can unleash their creativity and bring their wildest ideas to life. Imagine a printer that can handle all your printing needs effortlessly. Whether you want to craft mind-blowing architectural models or futuristic engineering prototypes or let your artistic flair soar, this printer has your back. It's like having a personal genius at your fingertips. Setting up the Dremel DigiLab 3D printer is as easy as a piece of cake. You'll be amazed how quickly you can go from unboxing to creating wonders. The vibrant 4.5-inch touchscreen interface feels like a futuristic control panel, guiding you with its user-friendly design. Don't worry about choosing the correct settings or struggling with complicated configurations. This printer is so intelligent, it practically reads your mind. Thanks to its built-in RFID reader, it detects the Dremel filament you use and automatically selects the optimal print settings. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.